So, good morning. I'm here with my brother-in-law, Chet, and he's taking me to my first rocket launch. And I'm pretty damn excited about it. I'm hoping that it does not get called off for rain or a million other reasons. We got about an hour and 15-minute ride down to Cape Canaveral to check this out. And I'm taking you along with you and Chet. Here we are at Cape Canaveral. Actually, would you call this? Jetty Point?
Jetty Park.
Jetty Park.
Cape Canaveral.
In Cape Canaveral. And we're actually walking out to get ourselves ready or in position to see the launch, which will come from right over there in that direction. You're behind that sailboat. How far, Chet, how far would you say we are from the actual rocket?
Half a mile. A mile.
So we should be really able to see a good launch. These guys are surfing over here.
Cruise ship up there.
Yep, cruise ship. Just to let you know, it's hot as hell. What'd you say? I'd say 92 anyway.
Feels like an actual.
$84. Hard to believe. I'm sweating my ass off. Oh, we got a fellow Osmo 3 person. Got a fellow Osmo 3.
I know.
I was going to put it on the tripod, but I decided to go with the tripod that came in the combo.
Yeah, I like to do this, so it gives me more height and it gives me more control.
Right. I'm gonna put the tripod right up there and do the same thing.
I have the lens though. You don't have the lens.
The what? The ND filter?
I have moment lens.
Got it. Yeah.
Check that out.
You should get it.
Is that a 10?
Hmm?
Is that a 10?
That's a 10.
Yeah. Same with here.
Yeah, really cool.
So I'm not going to pay the $1,500 to go for the Pro for the 11. I don't need that. I was really considering launching my Mavic Air, but
Yeah.
I don't know how they'd feel about that. Just to do some B-roll cross.
I thought about this too. I don't have it yet. But
I
I thought about this, so I mean, usually the FAA would have areas. I don't know.
I'll have to check when I get back. I have an app.
Yeah.
But
Oh, the worst time of it.
what happened?
The detail.
It got hot, right?
Yeah.
I told you these things get hot real
There
quick.
goes. Oh, you were right.
Well, I'm not doing a good job of tracking this rocket. Now you hear it.
That's still loud.
Oh wow.
Wow. Now you can really feel it. That's amazing.